Hello guys, good evening. First of all, here in Saudi Arabia, when it's the same our time, 6:50. So our climate here is not cold too much. So here's our workshop. So we are repairing Lexus and Toyota, Kia and Hyundai. So now we have a problem. This customer complained about this Land Cruiser 2011. This clutch pedal sometimes always down, sometimes not come back. When you press the clutch, it will stay downside. Only sometimes. Then he told me what is the problem. Then I suggest him to change the clutch master cylinder. This is the clutch master cylinder. The new clutch master cylinder. I open now. This is the clutch master cylinder. Clutch master cylinder from up connected to the clutch pedal. There is also clutch relay cylinder from downside, which is connecting to the clutch fork. So to all customers, there's probably encounter problem for this pedal. Sometimes not come back. It will stay downside, so change this clutch master. Just change the new one. That is the only the problem. No need to change this clutch relay cylinder. If there is leaking clutch relay cylinder, it's better change both clutch master and clutch relay cylinder. And that's all. Thank you very much for watching my video.